Filterize can also help you to keep track of your important notes outside of Evernote and help you to plan better. That clears the mind for the important things. For everything else, you have your calendar. For this, you need the calendar feature of Filterize, which exports reminders you have set on notes in Evernote to your calendar. So your reminder becomes appointments. This way you won't miss anything anymore and can better plan when to take care of something. What do you have to do practically in Filterize? In Filterize, you open the menu Calendar, and here is a list of all your notebooks. To export reminders from a notebook, you must enable it by clicking the white toggle. Now the function is active and you only need to make two small adjustments. Decide which duration the reminders should have in your calendar and whether you need an in-app link or a web link. Then copy the link. The lower one is for all Outlook users. Then you just have to configure a new subscription in your calendar with that link, and immediately all reminders, even existing ones, will be entered as appointments in your calendar. If you don't want a single calendar export for each notebook, you can also merge all activated notebooks into one calendar export. For this, you have to activate all the notebooks from which you want to export, and finally enable all activated calendars. And then you make all settings here and use this link for the subscription. How does such an appointment looks like in your calendar? The appointment's name is the note's title, and you always get a note clipping as well as a link directly to the note in Evernote. Some ideas for what to use it: export schedules for tasks to keep them in mind, or remind yourself when which invoice is due, or plan big milestones for your projects. Now you know a lot about Filterize and have already tried many different things. I hope you started loving Filterize as much as we do.